very grateful. I'm very grateful that we've done 2 shows back to back, and there were totally 2 different genres of shows, and I think the support also comes with the relatability and the feeling that some of the other show gives, and it's always nice to see that in some way we can give happiness, and we can marami kami napapasaya na fellow kabayans natin and kapamilyas natin all over the world, and also especially here in Birmingham and London.
Ako naman, nagugulat ako kasi parang sa airport, may sumasalubong sa amin ng banner, yung mga mukha namin nandun, and then sasabihin nila, bumiyahe kami 5 hours, pumunta lang dito, kayo na pa kami umaga dito. So parang yun pa lang, yung feeling na ganun yung sumalubong sa'yo, yung naghanda talaga sila, they prepared so much para sa arrival namin, is really a big thing for us, na parang, na-touch natin yung lives nila, kaya sinusuportahan nila tayo. So we're very thankful din talaga.
So Kim, you must be used to the love team, no? Nagsimula ka, you had love team.
3 generations na ata.
But ano daw yung sekreto ninyo sa patok na love team nyo now on screen?
Hindi naman kami talaga binuo as love team ni Paolo. Parang sa project lang talaga na meron kami, and hanggang sa sinuportahan na lang siguro kami ng mga tao, and yung team up na to, parang it's very surprising na may mga nakabuo kami ng isang pamilya. Parang ganun.
Okay.
And also maybe, I think it also comes with the maturity of maybe the actors, and also the maturity of
material.
Yeah, what the role requires. The past Lin Lang and What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, I don't think young kids could, or young actors could tackle it. I'm not saying totally, but it requires a certain type of maturity for the people playing the actors playing the role, and maybe that's one, because it's not really a love team. It's not. Lin Lang isn't even a love story. It's a very dark show if you look at it. But as I've said earlier, maybe it's the relatability of most of our kabayans and our kapamilyas that made it hit and made our tandem hit.
And this 2 questions is para kay Kim only. Kim, ano daw yung staying power mo? What do you think is your